are achieved by taking a big circle like this, a giant, which you've done before, probably in the context of a weave where you go big and then back into your weave. You're doing, the particular one we're working with is on the side plane, and you have the big circle inside of which you're going to put 2 smaller petals at the top and the bottom. Around your hand is, you don't want your hand in front here, you don't want it back here, you want it in line with your frame, down at your side, as low basically as you can comfortably go. And then you're going to, as if you're doing a big circle like this, go all the way up to the top and then do a circle up there. And then come back down and do a circle down bottom, and 1 up top, and 1 down bottom, and 1 up top, and on bottom, up top, on bottom, up top, on bottom, up top. And then you want to make sure that when you're doing this, you don't do this. So it's not this, where I'm sliding my hand up and down in line with my body, but it's this instead, where I do a big swing, I get to the top, and then I do my circle, and then I do a big swing and I get to the bottom, and I do my circle down here. So you want to make sure you have that full range of motion. This is a body mechanics activity. Your posture should be your earlobes over your shoulders, over your hips, over your heels. You want your knees soft, you want your pelvis tucked, you're gonna have your core tight, and then these 2 bones right here, your hip bones, imagine they are pulling this muscle in here tight to make a smiley face here. They're pulling these muscles in tight to help support you. It is the propelling of these muscles, basically going like this, that's going to move your arms around the circle and propel the poi so that you don't get shoulder injury. And as you do it, if you were to go round 1 time, slowly, your right arm's up, your left arm is down. The first position, you would open to your right. Now you're still looking straight ahead, but if you looked at my body at this angle, you'll notice my right hip, this hip, is open as my right arm is back. I'm not doing this. So I'm not causing this kind of torque in my shoulder, which you don't want. It's nice and open like this. From this second position, the third position goes back to neutral, only your left arm is up. So you're still earlobes over shoulder, over hips, over heels, knees soft, pelvis tucked. Then you go to your fourth position, similarly open to the left, where you're still looking forward and your right arm's in the front, and then you go back to your starting position. So if we go through these 10 times, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what I want to do is I want to imagine that we're doing those petals. So we do a petal, then swing, pedal, then swing, pedal, then swing, pedal, swing. So there's a pause where the pedal is, because that's where you're doing that extra rotation. And we'll do 5 more sets. And right arm up and swing, left arm up and swing, right arm up and swing, left arm up and swing, right up, swing, left up, swing, right up, swing, left up, swing, last one, right up and left up, both down. 1 pedal on bottom, 1 pedal on top, back down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 pedal, down, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, pedal up, swing, pedal down, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, pedal up, swing, pedal down, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, pedal up, pedal down. Now come up to the top and we'll hold it here. 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, pedal down, swing, pedal up, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, pedal down, swing, pedal up, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, pedal down, swing, pedal up, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, pedal down, swing, pedal up. Now keep going. And down, pedal, up, pedal, down, pedal, up, pedal, down, pedal, up, pedal. Start down at the bottom. Let's just feel it. We're going to do a big swing across the front up to the top, do a pedal up top, do a big swing across the back, pedal on bottom, big swing, pedal up top, big swing, pedal down low, big swing, pedal up top, big swing, pedal down low. Okay, now I'll count off and then we'll do 1 up, 1 down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal up, swing, pedal down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal up, swing, pedal down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal up, swing, pedal down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal up, swing, pedal down, 5, 6, 7. One last time. Swing, pedal up, swing, pedal down. Now move to the top and 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing to the bottom, swing back up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal down, swing, pedal up, 5, 6, 7, and swing, pedal down, swing, pedal up, 5, 6, 7, and swing, pedal down, swing, pedal up, 5, 6, 7. Last time. Swing, pedal down, swing, pedal up, and down. And then when you're ready, when each hand can do the drills, right? You want to be able to go down and up, making sure that you have the full extension and you have the pedals cleanly at 6 and 12. Once you do that, you can start it with either hand on the top, and then you count off 5, 6, 7, go, and then you do one cycle, 5, 6, 7, go, and you do one cycle, and 5, 6, 7, go, and do one cycle, 5, 6, 7, go, do one cycle, and then 5, 6, 7, do 2 cycles, right? So then you're trying to do 2 in a row. 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7, go. And then once you have 2, you can try for 3 in a row, or 4 in a row, or just being able to do it continuously. And this is a pattern that's supposed to be in split time, so they should look like they're meeting right there in the middle, right there in the middle, right there in the middle, if the timing is on point. On point.